Imagine how exciting to write your first computer program. Today, let's see how to write your first C program. Welcome to the JJ Coders. To install the compiler, first let's go to the website mysys2.org. In the installation section, download the exe file specific to your system architecture. You can see the download started. Click the exe file after the download. You can see the installer window opens. Just give next and next to proceed the installation. Wait for some time for the installation to be completed. Click finish to close the installer. After installation, a console window will be opened. Next, copy the pacman command and paste it in the console window. Then press enter. Press Y to proceed the installation. This will install the required libraries for the compilation. Wait for some time to complete the installation. If you want to know more about compiler, check our channel on the video how compiler works. Once the installation completed, type the command gcc-version and click enter. If you see this output in the console, this means the compiler installed successfully. The next step is to add the compiler path to the environment variable. To do that, check on the file location c:/m64/ucrt64/bin. You can see the compiler files present in this folder location. Copy this folder location. Then in your Windows search, type env. You will see edit the system environment variable. Click on it. An environment variable window will be opened. In the window, go to the system variable section, click on the path variable and then click edit button. Then click the new button and paste the compiler's path and then click OK and close the window. Next, we need to install VS Code, a popular IDE among the programmers. Go to the website code.visualstudio.com. Click download to download the installer. Once the download is completed, click on the installation file. An installer window will be opened. Click on the license agreement, then click next. Leave the installation location as it is and click next. Again next. Check the open with code options, then click next. Then click install. Wait for the installer to finish installation. Now we are ready to write our first C program. In any folder location, create a new folder with any name of your wish. Right click on the folder and open with the VS Code. Once the ID is open, in the File Explorer, create a new file and give a name with .c extension. Write a simple C program as you see in this video. You can pause the video and write it down. Press Ctrl S to save the program. Then press Ctrl J to open VS Code terminal window. In the terminal window, type ls and press enter to see your program is present or not. And then type gcc, your program file name, -o and a key name. And then press enter to compile your C file. You can see a new exe file generated by the compiler in the File Explorer section. To run the program in the terminal, just give // and the exe file, then press enter. You can see the output of the program. Congratulations, you have done your first C program. Thanks for watching. Comment your queries if any. See you in the next video.